If you are like me and haven't used your Rode Wireless Go microphones in a while, you may have found that they don't actually charge when you plug them in. No matter which cable or brick you tried to use, the Rode mics would never start the blinking process indicating that they were charging. This issue is actually pretty simple to solve. All you need to do is update the firmware on both the receiver and the transmitters. To do this, search for the Rode Central app, get the corresponding installer for your operating system, then go ahead and install the application. Take your receiver or transmitter and plug it into your computer with a USB-C to USB-A or USB-C type cable that transfers data. Now open your Rode Central app and your device should pop up on screen. Go ahead and click the big Update Now button to install the latest firmware version. Then click Got It, Update My Device, then click the Update Now button. Your device will install the update, then reboot. Wait for your device to regain connection to your computer, and then check to make sure it is on the latest version. Once that is complete, your device should be able to charge again.